everyone, and welcome to AI Tech for Growth channel. It's important to recognize that AI is not a flashy digital technology that sticks out like a sore thumb. Instead, it's a natural evolutionary extension of hardware and software, seamlessly integrating into every aspect of our daily lives, much like the internet did. When Lisa first used the internet in the late 1990s, it was new and unfamiliar. But now it's almost impossible to imagine life without it. Similarly, in just a few years, it will be hard to envision a world without AI. Think of AI as a giant fish that encompasses both hardware and software, swimming through the internet. In today's video, we'll continue to have an overview of AI. Let's break down the different levels of AI and explore them. As we talked about in the last video, AI has been evolving for several decades, and its journey can be broken down into 5 key milestones. One of the earliest steps were rule-based systems, which relied entirely on predefined if-then rules. Think of Eliza in 1960s, an early chatbot, or Myson, a diagnostic expert system. These systems worked well within specific contexts but couldn't adapt or learn from interactions, laying the groundwork for more advanced AI approaches. Let's start with the first AI level, artificial narrow intelligence, known as weak AI. This is the most common form of AI today. It's designed for a single, well-defined purpose and performs exceptionally well within its specific domain. Think of self-driving cars, which use advanced algorithms to safely navigate roads, but their intelligence is limited to driving. Another example are tools like GPT, which are tailored for task-specific applications such as generating essays or creating code snippets. Even virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa excel at setting reminders or giving weather updates, but they stick strictly to their roles. AI is great at what it does, but its focus is narrow. Next up is general-purpose artificial intelligence, introduced in the EU Artificial Intelligence Act of 2024 to define AI systems with significant generality. GPAI steps beyond ANI, handling tasks across multiple domains, like generating text, creating images, and even video production. Generative AI, which you are familiar with, is a subset of GPAI. Notable examples include GPT-4, Gemini, DALL-E, Codex, and Midjourney. Unlike narrow AI, which focuses on single, task-specific applications, GPAI models are highly versatile, adapting to various use cases. Think of GPAI as a step toward more advanced at where we are now, but not yet at the level of human intelligence. Here we need to check out the emerging trend of Agentic AI, which is reshaping industries by enabling systems to act autonomously, make decisions, and adapt to dynamic environments. While fully autonomous systems resembling Jarvis from movie Iron Man are still years away, Agentic AI is already transforming healthcare, cybersecurity, and enterprise automation. Starting this year, 2 exciting categories of Agentic AI are gaining traction. Agentic AI for personal use, designed to simplify daily life, such as schedule meetings, adjust calendars, or booking a trip. Agentic AI for business, built to boost workplace productivity with tools like Microsoft Copilot Studio featuring autonomous agents. In the metaverse, Agentic AI takes it even further, powering intelligent virtual agents that assist users, create immersive experiences, and manage dynamic ecosystems. Next, we reach artificial general intelligence, often referred to as strong AI. This is the leap where machines could achieve human-level intelligence, seamlessly adapting across multiple domains. AGI is built on the foundations laid by Agentic AI, showing the ability to autonomously contribute across diverse contexts. Experts predict AGI might emerge in the 2030s or 2040s, depending on breakthroughs in computing and neuroscience. While the idea of AGI excites researchers, it also sparks intense debates about its implications. And finally, we reach artificial superintelligence, known as conscious AI, the peak of AI evolution, where machines far exceed human intelligence in every aspect. Imagine systems that could revolutionize medicine, solve climate crises, or unlock innovations. However, ASI represents a frontier that, as humans, we may not fully comprehend. Its depth of reasoning, autonomy, and problem-solving abilities could operate beyond our understanding. And this brings us to the ever-fascinating topic, The singularity. It's the pivotal moment when we transition from artificial general intelligence, AGI, to artificial superintelligence, ASI. A point where machines begin improving themselves autonomously and exponentially. AGI starts at human-level intelligence, but through continuous self-enhancement, evolves into ASI. For now, this remains theoretical, but it reminds us of our responsibility to shape a future with AI that unlocks endless possibilities. Together, we must learn, grow, and evolve to build a world where AI is a force for good. Did you enjoy exploring the different levels of AI and their key features? Let's quickly recap what we've learned. AI is a natural evolutionary extension of hardware and software. There are 4 AI levels: Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI, General Purpose Artificial Intelligence, GPAI, Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, and Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. The emerging trend is Agentic AI, which is transforming businesses across all industries and how we interact with technology. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you're curious to learn more about in AI. In the next video, we'll bring all the key AI terms together into one cohesive view and walk you through them step by step. See you soon.